Hi, welcome to another interesting class in data processing. My name is Sani Kana. Our topic today is the history of computing under the theme Information Age. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to explain the concept of number system in computing. Before we go into our topic, the number system, let's take a look at what a computer is. A computer is a processing device that accepts data in human language as the input, converts the data into machine language, processes, and gives out information as the output. You may ask, what is a machine language? A machine language consists of binary digits, which are zeros and ones. The binary number system is one of the number systems we have and the only language computer understands. Now let's go on to look at what a number system is. A number system is a way of representing numbers. It's a mathematical notation for measurement and counting. Examples are binary number system, which is base 2. Number 2, octal number system, which is also known as base 8. Then the decimal number system, which is also known as base 10. And finally, the hexadecimal number system, which is also known as base 16. Now, let's go on to look at these number systems in detail. But before that, let's look at the application areas of these number systems. Binary, which is the base 2 system, is applied in machine language and also programming. Then the octal, which is also the base 8, which is applied in file permissions. For example, read, write, and execute in some operating systems such as Linux. And also is applied in digital display. Then the decimal number system, which is also base 10, is applied in everyday calculation for more precise measurement than whole numbers. For example, weight, height, and many more. And finally, the hexadecimal, which is also known as the base 16, is applied in colors on web pages and represent media access control, which is the MAC address. Also is used to define locations in memory. These are the applications of the number systems we have in computation. The binary number system, which is also known as the base 2 number system, consists of 2 digits, 0 and 1. Each of the digits is called a byte. A binary system is often used in digital devices to control any 2 states. For example, on and off, yes and no, and so on. Where 1 represents on and 0 represents off. Bits and bytes are the units to measure data in computer system. Bit is a combination of 2 words, binary and digits. Is either 1 or 0. An example, 110100 base 2. Byte, 8 bits is equal to a byte. Combination of bytes come with various names like kilobytes. Here are some examples. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobytes. 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 megabytes. 1 terabyte is equal to 1024 gigabytes. Now, let's move on to look at the other number systems. As I have said earlier, the binary number system consists of 2 digits, which are 0 and 1. An example of a binary number is this. Then the octal number system, which is in base 8, beginning from 0 to 7. An example of a number in base 8 is this. Now, the decimal number system, which is the common number system we use in our day-to-day activities, which is also known as the base 10, starting from 0 to 9. An example of a number in base 10 is this. And finally, the hexadecimal number system, which is also known as base 16, has alphanumeric values starting from 0 to 9 and A to F, where A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14, and finally F is 15. An example of a number in base 16 is this. I hope my chart explanation was clear enough. With this, we've come to the end of the class. But before we go, let's take a look at the summary. First, we learned that the term number systems are the different ways used to represent numbers in a computer system. Finally, we learned that the computer system uses the following major number systems. Number 1, decimal number system. 2, binary number system. 3, octal number system. And finally, the hexadecimal number system. Don't be in a hurry to leave. Let's take some test questions. Question 1. How many bytes are there in these numbers? Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, 4. Option D, 8. And the correct answer is option B, 2. Remember we said that there are 8 bits in 1 byte. Here we have 16 bits in these numbers, which are 2 bytes. Question 2. The base 16 number system is also known as A, binary number system, B, octal number system, C, hexadecimal number system, or D, decimal number system. And the correct answer is C, hexadecimal number system. I hope by now you've understood the different applications of number systems in computing. See you next time. Bye-bye.